Okay, everybody, it's August 4th, 2010. Looks like it's about 2:28. In the Justice of the Peace Court of the State of Delaware and for Newcastle County Court Number 13, Civil Action CA JP 13-10-008-692. YMCA versus Timothy Davis. Fred Garlick. Those items which the person must bring or permit inspection of. See the 5 attached pages. Is it 5 or 6? I might have to change that to a 6. 3, 4. It's 6. Okay, I gotta put the date of the address, the court address on here as well. Let me see if I have it anywhere close by. 1010 Concord Avenue. 1010 CONCORD Avenue. And it's supposed to be August 10th, so I'm going to go ahead and write that down. At 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. Got that? Now, here are the contents of the subpoena. Attention, Mr. Fred Garlick, as you know, this is an official court subpoena. Everything requested is requested because it is mentioned in the JP Court Summons, JP 13-10-008-692. A written signed statement from plaintiff's attorney explaining how defendant got a summons in an envelope postmarked July 29th, a summons with the name Book J dated and stamped 7/28 at 10:42 a.m. Page 3 of the above complaint electronically filed 6/24, a month before, having a docket number of 02-1395, etc., stamped as court service. Page number 4 of the summons titled June 25th, having the same docket number as page 3, and a claim on page 5 of the JP Court Summons, line 25, stating defendant was supposed to have vacated June 23rd. That's that's the first part of the subpoena for Fred Garlick. And it says here, answer required on 4 separate pages, authenticated in writing by Michael Morton. Have Michael Morton, number 2. Have Michael Morton explain in writing how defendant received a summons with a postmark of 7/29 and a hearing scheduled in less than 10 business days. When I have 10 business days to request a jury. Number 3, Mr. Garlick. The summons claims, see line 20, defendant needs court action taken against him to secure health, safety, quiet, etc. As the social worker of the YMCA, for the purposes of your attorney's statements, view all video footage on YouTube, the Bishop Zero, and be prepared to answer questions about each video. That's about 60-some or 70-some videos, by the way. Bring an official copy or copies of the court order evicting defendant on or before June 23rd, as stated in the summons, JP 13-10-008-692, page 5. And I think it's line 17. Delaware Housing Authority is mentioned in the summons. Bring all documentation showing the relationship between the YMCA and the DHA, including how YMCA qualified and qualifies for involvement with the DHA. That's number 5. Number 6. The certification of my income is necessary because of monies received. Bring proof of who gives money to the YMCA for the tenants overall and particularly the defendants. Number 7. Include the dollar amounts. Number 8. Apparently the tenant's income doesn't matter when it comes to certain people. Bring income information. Number 8. Apparently the tenant's income doesn't matter when it comes to certain people. or a tenant's income, doesn't matter when it comes to certain people. Bring income information and the certification information and recertification information with the dates it was done for John Nestor, second floor, works for the Gettier Security and MIMC, as well as for Larry, second floor, works for the Downtown Visions, MIMC, and the WHA. And I'm going to add right here, date recertified for the last 36 months. An explanation number 9. An explanation explaining maximum income a tenant can earn in writing. An explanation number 10. An explanation detailing what Larry and John pay in writing. Number 11. A list of all high-income tenants. Number 12. A written explanation of how collected rent is distributed. Number 13. A series of conditions are mentioned in the summons. Page 5, line 20. The purpose of the therefore show proof of how the compliance with the conditions is enforced. Bring a printout of Daryl Wright's hard drive history during the hours she is at work for 120 days back. Be sure it shows access to her email without showing email content. A list of all the people MIMC has evicted with the civil action number is number 15. Number 16, defendant received what you refer to as a grant from the city of Wilmington, either April or May of 2010. Bring income information defendant provided at that time and the copies you made. Bring a reason in writing explaining, number 17, Bring a reason in writing explaining why information was not or could not be transferred to remainder of the YMCA staff. Above, information from number 16. The Department of Justice has been notified about the possibility of perjury. Video footage, audio footage is available. Please don't contradict anything you have been videotaped saying. Number 18. Does Melvin Laners know if one of his Facebook contacts is Timothy Davis? Bring a copy of the letter mentioned. Number 19. To bring a copy of the letter mentioned by Daryl Wright in court, June 7, 2010. The subject matter, Timothy Davis and his laptop. There you are, folks. I'm about to go here and before it's 3:45 and get Mr. Garlick subpoenaed. All right.